Well, this is my system. It's about a hotel, and we have hotel guests as well. So I will show you the tree. It's basically there is the main file that is Latin Django hotel system, and then we go and we find that there is hotel guests where we have the active guest records, and then we have those that get deleted, and we have it in here. So let's run it at this point, and yeah, we have this main menu. We can get out of it just by typing 6. It's the exit, and then once we pick an option in here, we can always use hashtag just to exit the program. I organize it in functions mainly. It's an idea that I came up with just by trial and error. They are nested into each other. It's a way to handle errors better. For me, at least, it's something that I discovered just by working on it. So if I click, for instance, if I go with the option 1, I will be prompted with a question in here. Enter the guest first name. That's not actually a question, it's a request. But anyway, we will be handling the function in here. We have the statement. If we go with a blank field, it won't work. If we put numbers, it won't work. If we put the hashtag, we will get out. Like, for instance, you see, we won't be able to proceed like this. Sorry. Like this, it won't work, right? And then if we do go with the hashtag, it won't work because we will get out of the program. So let's go with this one. We go again with the name. We go with a name like I don't know, Lucy, and then we put a surname like whatever. We can also put surname. I don't. Well, no, it's not that. Lucy Lan. I don't know. Lan, something like that. Here it's interesting because we have the 4 digits. There is a function that will make sure that we add 4 digits and not less or not more, and we must be within a certain range. So it should be between 1000 and 7,999, and also there is a way to check if the room has been taken. So we use grep. We grep the inputted room number through the hotel guest txt, and then we print what we find. If there is 0, well, in that case it means that there is no match between the picked room number, this variable in here, and the inputted number from the user, and we can proceed. Otherwise we get a message, I think, a message of error. I think 1 2 3 4 is not, it is taken, see, and it won't let us proceed. Let's go with this one. Okay, it's available. I won't show you that the error handling will work across all the requests because I don't have time to go through each of them, but we can proceed like this. I don't know, Brazilian nationality as well, Brazilian. We go ahead, we put the rate number. All of this is basically handled through functions in here, like the phone number check. We have this function, this function in here. There is the statement, and if we keep making mistakes, like we don't abide by the rule in here, we will be prompted to check again, like phone number check again, and there is the nested phone number check function in here. Nationality is the same, and then we go with room rate check as well, etc, etc. But the interesting one would be actually the check-in and check-out. So if we go with something like this, we try to use an older date, it won't work. right? There is a system of checks in here. On the checkout date there is basically I think it is in here. There is a variable, there is a subtraction. If stay the variable is greater than 0, then we can proceed, otherwise we won't be able to. This is something that I found in here, Stack Overflow, and then I readapted it to my script. So we go ahead and we go with let's say something like this. I think it should work, right? Yep. Then we go test gmail.com. We have a function for this as well. Basically we should go down to here. Yep, it's here. Someone of the guys found it on the internet and put it into the Slack chat channel, and I readapted it to our my script. And then here we are prompted to basically add the records or not. We go with yes. And then if we go to option 2, we have several options in submenu. We can view the lists of the new ones, the list of all the records that we have, active records, and we have added Lucyland that is here. Then we can check some other ones, like if we go with option B, we can add a surname and see the records. For instance, McDonald. Okay, it's in here. We get basically returned the records for McDonald, and there are other options. I cannot show everything because I don't have time, but we view how long the stay was for one hotel guest. For instance, we go in here and then we are prompted to ask prompted whether we want the list, and yeah, because we need this unique ID that it is created in here. Let me check. If we scroll down in here, this is the the sub menu, and we have this variable in here. I used this command that I found on the internet. It creates basically unique VCM ID, sorry. And like we want to check Pamela Regan, how long she stayed in the hotel. We go in here, we just go like this. Pamela Regan stayed for 386 nights. Yeah, because it's a field basically inside our records. It's in here. There is a way. Well, we have to go up to the function again. So it's guest stay nights. Well, we should go. Sorry, it's a little bit long. It's in here. Basically, we have the guest ID, and we grab it through the hotel guests txt. If it exists, then we will return this statement here, grep ID, then we awk command. We will be printing the field. And let's check, for instance, how we delete hotel guests. In here we can pick, for instance, Andrea Nardinocchi, that would be me. We add it in here, and would you like to yeah, it has been deleted, successfully deleted, and then it asks us if we want to delete something else. No, we go and check that Andrea Nardinocchi is no longer there, and there is basically a function. Sorry, I'm saying basically too many times, and we can delete it's here, and we input an ID that will be checked. It will go through, grep through hotel guests, and it will be printed if it exists. Well, we use grep and redirect it actually to archive hotel guests, and it's here basically, practically whatever. It's here that we delete the whole thing, and we then apply the redirection, and we have the record deleted. Last thing, because I really don't have much time left, I wanted to show you, yeah, we can also delete multiple guests, like for here from 2023 we can you know, delete if we want. It checks basically the check-in date, okay? And we go like this, and then we check the view, and we see that we no longer have any guests. But then we can check the view of the list of archived hotel guests, and we can also reinstate them if we need it. And there we go. Sorry about this. Yeah, we can check the view. We can see that they are all reinstated. Thank you very much.